Prompt engineering helps transform equipment failure logs into structured, repeatable, and decision-ready analysis. A scoped notebook allows the same reference file to support multiple analysis conversations without repeated uploads. Open-ended prompts allow broad interpretation. Task-specific prompts define the action, scope, and expected result. Zero-shot prompting works well for straightforward tasks. Few-shot prompting uses examples to enforce terminology, structure, and formatting. Markdown helps the AI distinguish between the role, task, source data, execution steps, validation rules, and required output.